Hello, my name is Sukrisna. Now I will tell about step-by-step wiring to speed motor with spirit coil type. Wiring to speed motor with spirit coil type needs some materials such as MCB or miniature circuit breaker, overload or OL, 2 contactors, 3 phase motor, 3 push button or switch, 2 indicator lamp and cables. The wiring illustrated as below. For wiring the control circuit, first, connect one piece cable can take source from base R or S or T to the input of overload. Second, connect the cable output from overload to the NC or normally closed of switch S1. Third, the output cable from switch S1 is connected to NO or normally open op switch S2 and switch S3. Third, the output from switch S3 is connected to NC contact of contactor K1. Then the output of NC contact of contactor K1 is connected to input of contactor K2. Then the output of switch S2 is connected to NC contact of contactor K2. Then the output of NC contact of contactor K2 is connected to input of contactor K1. Next, the output cable from contactor K1 and contactor K2 are connected to the neutral. After that, the NO contact of contactor K1 and contactor K2 is connected to one phase source. Then, the output of NO contact of contactor K1 is connected with H1 lamp. Then, the output of cable from NO contact of contactor K2 is connected with H2 lamp. Next, the output cable from H1 lamp and H2 lamp are connected to neutral. In order that the contactor K1 and contactor K2 can work continuously, so jumper the switch S2 with NO contact of contactor K1, while the switch S3 jumper with NO contact of contactor K2. For the power circuit, first connect 3-phase cable to the input of MCB. Second, connect the output cable from MCB to the input contact of contactor K1 and input of contactor K2. Third, connect the output cable from contactor K1 to the input of overload. Fourth, output cable from overload is connected to motor terminals, namely phase R with U1, phase S with V1, and phase T with W1. Next, the output cable from contactor K2 is connected to motor terminals, namely phase R with U2, phase S with V2, and phase T with W2. In this wiring, switch S2 is for slow or normal rotation, while switch S3 is for fast rotation. Then switch S1 is for turn off the motor. That's all about my explanation. Thanks for your attention.